Ah, my eye! Who keeps ringing the doorbell? It's probably Billy. Just ignore it. Dad, I'm sitting right across from you. Oh, whatever. Ew! Me? Yeah. Well, excuse me for not being handsome. Now give me all your monies. Not again. All right, give it up. Money.
10-4, I got the robber.
The police.
License and registration.
I'm not driving.
You talking back to a cop? Shots fired.
You saved us, Timmy.
You can thank me later. I'm gonna go outside and make some traffic stops.
That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast.